Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some pork shoulder, so let's get right into the video. So here we have 3 pounds of pork shoulder. Guys, let me tell you, I love pork, so hey, bear with me. So here I'm just making some slice into my pork. It's already washed with vinegar and lime. If you have lemon, you can also go ahead and use your lemon as well. Be very careful with your knife when you're doing that as well. So here I have some green season that I blend up. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of that on our pork. So guys, as you can see, I'm not using any measurement. I can tell you exactly the amount I use. I'm just making my ancestor guide me right here. So same thing, go for the jerk seasoning. And this is my homemade product. So here I have 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder mix. I also have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and guys, I'm using the Cool Runnings brand. This is an amazing brand to try out. And I'm also using the dry jerk seasoning as well. And here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic, pepper, and herb seasoning. And I'm just adding a little bit of paprika for color. And then now we're going to go in with little scallion and thyme and garlic and ginger. So now we're going to rub up with pork. So make sure you season every inch of your pork, right? Make sure you stuff all the incision that you make. Make sure you put seasoning down in every corner. I love to see my meat well seasoned, so this, just go ahead, and you can also add some rosemary in there as well if you want to, for the extra flavor that will be bursting up in these pork. So now we're going to be adding some browning as well. And for this pork, guys, you can also season it from overnight if you want, or you can season it and leave it for an hour to marinate. So guys, as you can see, my pork is done seasoned, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover this, and then we will get back to you guys. And my oven is already preheated at 350, and we're gonna be roasting this baby for 2 hours. Voila, look at this. So I'm gonna remove my file paper and I'm gonna go ahead and test it. Yeah, after 2 hours, look at this pork. The way I love pork, guys. Remember me tell you, hey, all the rope would I use and boil some soup, I swear. So guys, I'm gonna use the juice from this and I'm gonna baste my pork with it, and then guess what, head back to the oven. So voila, here we go. Look at this juicy tenderness we're looking at. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. And this is how we do it, guys. So I'm continue basting our pork with the juice from it. Now what we're gonna do here is turn it over and do the same thing again with the juice from it. So guys, in my comment section, you can also go ahead and tell me what you will have this nice juicy pork shoulder with. I will be having this with some mashed potato and some rice and peas. You don't know, yard style. So now that this is finished, because we add it back to the oven for another 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove it. Look at the steam, guys. Look at this. This looks so good. So we're going to remove it and we're going to put it on the cutting board, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut through it and let you guys see what we're working with. So we're selling jerk pork, so if you want a pound, let me know. It'll go for 1,800 Jamaican dollar. You see it? So welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen, where we have some pork shoulder. So we're selling if you don't want. You see, just place your order. This just bring me back to, living in Fitz when my mom and my stepdad jerk pork and selling and all that. So it's fun time cooking and remember the good times. Look on the steam where I come out at that. So we're just gonna cut this up. As you can see, guys, how my knife is going through the pork. This looks so yummy. So I'm gonna put the pork bone aside because later I'm going to deal with that. You see it? So this is what we get, and I'm also gonna plate it on some fresh green lettuce. You can feel free to plate it on whatever you want to plate it on, and this is my presentation. Yes, guys, would I eat this with some holy pepper and 2 fried festival and some fried plantain, yeah, and a cup of coconut soup. You see it? Yeah, right there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for following me, subscribing to my channel, and thank you to my Facebook followers, my YouTube followers, and also my Instagram. My name is Pal's Island Kitchen, where we do delicious Jamaican cuisine, Canadian food, any type of food you like in this kitchen. So thank you so much for watching. Live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. Walk good and big up on yourself, and be safe out there, guys. And voila. And we also add some of the leftover gravy on top of the pork, right? So enjoy, guys. Bye bye.